To change your phone number on eToro, first, log into your eToro account using your existing credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you need to select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Personal Information section. Here, you will find the option to update your phone number. Click on the phone number field and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double-check that you have entered it correctly. After entering your new number, click on the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. Next, you may be required to verify your new phone number for security purposes. eToro will typically send a verification code to the new number you provided. Check your messages for the code, then enter it into the designated field on the eToro platform to complete the verification process. After you have successfully verified your new phone number, you should receive a confirmation that your phone number has been updated. It is important to keep your contact information current to ensure you receive important notifications and updates regarding your eToro account. If you encounter any issues during this process, eToro's customer support is available to assist you.